Thanks for tuning in again for another Essential RC flight test, part 2 of the review of the P-51 Mustang Moonbeam McSwine. This really cute little 750mm ready to go plane that Hobby King have brought out quite recently with an onboard gyro. Flying it on, so different today, I've taken out the landing gear and I've put it on 3 cells, a 3-cell 850 pack. So let's see how much different it flies. There we go, P-51 Moonbeam McSwine. Actually, I mean, I was impressed with it on 2 cells, but on 3 cells, it's got that bit more poke, and without the fixed landing gear, it's lighter, so it's super agile as well, keeping it within quite a tight space, and having the extra power on the throttle just enables you to burst out of, you know, a potential stall situation. So fantastic for the money, I'd say, and go for 2-cell 1000 or a 3-cell 850 pack. But thanks very much for watching this Essential RC flight test. You may want to subscribe. We do regular flight tests and video uploads from shows that we visit around the UK. But thanks for watching this one. See you next time.